edit, thumbnail, algorithm, ideas. Anyways, let's hop right into it. Yeah, okay. Now, I'm gonna be talking like this because I do not feel like doing some cool talking. I don't feel like doing that. But I'm gonna fire on it back. I don't know why. It just sounds very fun for some weird reason. This sounds very fun. Alright, so what I'm gonna be explaining is first, I think I'm gonna be explaining video ideas. Now, video ideas are like just straight up how you know. So, as you're a short content creator and you really don't know how to make content, I still don't really know how to make content. I'm kind of still dookie at it. There's one simple step to making everything blow up on your channel. And that step is... Holy crap, I can't even breathe. That step is doing the first 4 words when you start your titles, how I. Now, if you really think about it, how would this do anything to my channel? Well, it actually made most of different channels blow up. Yeeps, it might not work, but Gorilla Tag, actually no, maybe Yeeps, but like, still. Then after that, you really don't really need to keep doing it. Yeah, you can keep doing it, but like, you get less views on and on. It's kind of sad, but like, oh well. So as you really try, yeah, so say is something's blowing up right now, you should do that. But how I is something like that. Like for example, how I got Star Creator or how I got Junior Mod, something like that. Alright, next thing we're gonna be talking about is thumbnails. Thumbnails I can't really talk about because like they're more likely just thumbnail. Yeeps thumbnails, yeah, go to Discord for that. Plus I don't have Discord, so they have Google Drive. You're supposed to have Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive, that's a warm point. Guess you're not making good thumbnails. There's other ways to make thumbnails, like maybe you can use CapCut, Photopea, I don't know, Canva, something like that. I use Canva because it's better like that. I started using it, I just found that. But now, yeah. Edit. One of the most hardest steps of YouTube, of like the whole thing. Editing is like something else than just what you call it, than just being a boring YouTuber. Editing is like practice, time. It took me a couple of years, 2 or 3, just to get used to the editing. People don't know how to use editing, but just try your best. There's editing Discord servers too for you to help. There's no editing Google Drives, not getting email your freaking Google account. You might need Discord. Discord is free also, so yeah. Anyways, last way is the algorithm. The algorithm, it's hard to explain. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know why I said algorithm. I don't even know how to explain it. It sucks, but like, it's the truth. I don't know how to really explain the algorithm. The algorithm is looking for one audience and trying to find your audience pretty much. Can't be a different audience. Say your video is about something scary. And a different audience gets not that. They click off the video. As you get the right audience, the algorithm knows what you're looking at. And they'll keep doing that over and over again. Until you realize you're skibbity. That's just what you realize. I'm not good at explaining it. I'm not good at talking about it. But there's a lot of stuff I know about YouTube. And YouTube is a lot. TikTok, same thing. Just find something your algorithm likes. It's every single thing. Instagram, Snapchat, I don't really care for anything. I think YouTube is better than like everything. TikTok, yeah, you're fine. When my mom watches it like 24/7. But like, yeah. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button just to help me out a little bit. My goal is 1K before the end of 2026, and yeah. See ya.